How do you know if birds are going to build a nest? Typically, it all starts with an inspection of the surroundings, a bit like viewing a house for the first time. It can take a little while to become acquainted with the new dwelling. After all, it must be the perfect place to raise chicks. They will check the integrity of the nest box by giving it a little poke. Next, they will invite their partner inside for approval. Once happy, they will start performing this wing flapping motion. This ensures there is enough space to move nesting material into place. It's hard work for these little creatures, so sometimes a quick nap is needed. But it's not long before the endeavour must continue. Birds use various materials to build their nests, including moss, twigs and feathers. It's built up layer by layer and compacted into place. Typically, most birds lay pale eggs, but some can be more colourful.